Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi TT fuel flap. Before you begin, make sure you have the right tools on hand. You will need a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches and a small flathead screwdriver. It is also wise to wrap your screwdriver tip with masking tape for extra paint protection, ensuring no marks are left on your vehicle's finish. To start, open your Audi TT's boot. On the sidewall, you will find a small access panel. Carefully use your trim tool to pry this panel open, exposing the internal mechanisms. Inside, you should see the emergency fuel flap release cable, which is typically red. This cable is crucial for manual operation if the electronic system fails. Now, locate the electrical connector attached to the fuel flap actuator and gently disconnect it. Next, look for any small screws, often T15 or hex bits, securing the fuel flap assembly to the body. Once these are removed, use your trim tool to carefully pry the entire fuel flap housing outwards from the vehicle's body. Take your time to avoid damaging the surrounding paint or plastic. With the housing removed, you can now access and replace the fuel flap actuator if needed. To reassemble, simply reverse the steps, ensuring all electrical connections are secure and screws are tightened properly. Always test the flap's operation several times before fully closing the boot to confirm everything functions correctly. This ensures a smooth and reliable closure every time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to this fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.